Good morning to all of you. So today we are going to talk about Python. Our today's agenda is variable management and memory management. How variable in Python are different than other language, immutable and mutable words, then Python's memory management, then followed by the id function and is operator. So basically a variable can be seen as container in the memory that stores some value or data. While the program is running, variables are accessed and sometimes changed. New value will be assigned to the variables. How these variables works in C? In C language, when we declare a variable, assign value to them, some space is created in memory by giving the name and assigning value to it. Let's suppose if we write the statement like integer a is equal to 42, then following will be the memory diagram. So there will be the space will be created for an integer, let's suppose 2 bytes for Turbo C compiler, and its address is, let's suppose, 6000 in memory. A is the name that is given to the variable to the memory place, and value in this case is 42, means variable A is having the value 42. Now if we declare another variable with the same value, then again same process will take place. Suppose if I define integer b is equal to 42, I have already defined integer a is equal to 42. Now I am again declaring a variable with the same value. So what will happen? In the case of C, there will be two places that will be allocated to hold value of a and b. In the diagram that you can see that the address of A is 6000, address of B is 7000, and the value that is stored in both the memory area are same. That is the second case. Now what happens if we assign a new value to an existing variable? So in this particular case, the previous value get overwritten. Suppose we write a is equal to 43. Now in this case the memory area will be same, name will be same, but value will be changed to 43. It was 42, now it will be 43. Now b is having same value and same area. How Python variable works? Now Python just behave different than C. As compared to C, it is totally different. Suppose if we have written a is equal to 42 in Python, then Python will create two things. An object will be created in memory for holding the value 42 and a reference called a, which will point to this object. Means हमारे हीप मेमोरी एरिया में एक वेरिएबल क्रिएट होगा जिसमें 42 वैल्यू असाइन होगी और इस क्रिएटेड मेमोरी एरिया को एक रेफरेंस का नाम दिया जाएगा और उस रेफरेंस का नाम है a. Now as you can see in the diagram, a here is a reference keeping the address of the memory allocated to 42, and this 42 is an object, and this object in a special memory area called heap, and the 42 is object's value. Now what happens if we again create a variable called b and assign it the same value? Then Python will do following thing: create a new reference by name b, assign the address of previously created object to the reference b, because both b and a are having same value. So now both a and b are pointing to the same object. As we can see in the diagram, because a and b are having same value, so other memory will not be, different memory location will not be created for the variable b. So a and b are having same reference 8000 and having same value. Now if I want to create n number of variables with the same value, for these n number of variables there will be a single memory area, and all these reference will having the same address. So now what happens finally, if we assign a new value to the variable a, then like C, Python will not overwrite the value. Rather than overwriting the value, it will create another object. Now in this case Python will do following thing: create a new object initialized with the new value, assign the address of the newly created object to reference a. However, the reference b is still pointing to the same object because b is having the same previous value. So as we can see that the diagram has some changes. In this particular case, we have assigned a is equal to 43. Now the reference a will point to another object whose value in the memory is 43, and b is still referencing the same object in the memory that was previously referenced, and memory value is 42. This behavior of object in Python is called immutability. Immutability, this, in other words, we can say that when we cannot change the value of an object, we say it is immutable. Otherwise, we say it is mutable. In Python, built-in types like int, float, bool, str, complex, tuple are immutable, and the objects like list, set, dictionary are mutable.